What? Lentil soup should be smooth, right? Nope, it doesn't need to be. In this case, I was just lazy, but you can leave it like this. So, chippity chop some veggies. You will need some garlic, chili, a small potato in cubes, and right now I'm cutting some fennel, which is optional, but the flavor is very nice, so I highly recommend it. All you need to do is throw those veggies in some boiling water. This is about 1.2, 1.3 liters of water, along with a stock cube, because we need the soup base, of course. And then all you gotta do is add your lentils. I measure them by hand because yeah, I this was like a recipe from out of my sleeves. No written stuff, just throw something together and it came out great. Look at it. So it's nice for the winter, it's perfect, you know. It's nice, hearty, healthy and filling. So give it a try and let me know what you think.